What's up, guys? So, it's another cold, snowy day. Got my coffee here. We're going to hit another mail time. So, got some comments on the last one. I got 3 letters and a package that maybe I should read the letters. So, we'll see what happens. Let's see here. What do I got? I know a lot of guys use fancy old knives when they open their letters, but I only got a little utility knife here, so we'll use that. All right, so let's see. Number 1, and this is from Chestnut Mountain Tin Man in Chestnut Mountain, Georgia. Ooh, got something from Georgia. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Got a couple stickers. That's nice. Can you see that? Cool. It's the Tin Man, from the Wizard of Oz. Look at that. That's cool. I like that. And we got a couple of him riding the bike. That is pretty cool. On the dragon. Oh, look at that. It's on the dragon, too. That's cool. Let's check out the letter. Goofy Bastard. What a funny channel name. Glad I found you on Ruckus Rides channel. I sent you both of my stickers. My original sticker is the square one, and the latest sticker, round one. I look forward to checking out your channel. Ride safe, Tin Man. Cool. Thank you very much, Tin Man. We follow each other on Instagram and YouTube. I send him some stuff too, so that's cool. Thanks a lot. Oh, shit. All kind of stuff going on up here. Look, look at that. Ain't that some shit? Let me adjust this. Damn. All right. That was fun. All right. This is from MWC. For those in the know, that's Motorcycling with Carl. Be careful not to cut anything here. Oh, and I do have my coffee, so we're good to go. Out here in a non-heated shed. All right, let's see what we got. Ride on MWC. Pretty cool stickers. I like them. Nice. Thank you, sir. What's up, Goofy Bastard? I want to say thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I have been enjoying your channel and the great content. Catch you later. Hopefully over the summer we have some form of meetup around here and I get to meet some of the YouTubers. Laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Motorcycling with Carl. That's awesome. Thank you very much. So, Carl, I appreciate that. Check out his channel. And, of course, I will put everybody's links down in the description. So if you want to check them out, please feel free. And hell, tell them Goofy Bastard sent you. All right, next one we got Deluxe Chimp from Lakewood, Colorado. Watched one of his videos. I think the first video I watched of his was he visited the Mork and Mindy house. Remember Mork and Mindy from back in the day? That was a pretty cool show. So, no, I suck at opening letters. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's take. Oh, alrighty. Oh, shit. Nice. So, a card. A couple of motorcycle stickers. Deluxe Chimp. That's pretty cool. He's got the YouTube and the Instagram. I should have done that. But my Instagram is different than my YouTube, so round stickers. And motorcycle stickers. And he's got the card as well. Pretty nice. Let's see what this is. I know I'm going to cut myself with this thing. Sure. Ah, poker chip. On the one side, it has view from the windscreen. Nice. And on the other side, deluxe chip, YouTube, Instagram. It's pretty cool. It's just the same as the stickers. All right, let's see what we got here for a letter. Goofy Bastard. What's up, man? Thank you for the sticker swap. Don't mind my penmanship. It's not that great when I'm wide awake. Ha ha ha. I included some stickers, spam card, and my custom poker chip. Ride safe, Lux chip. He's got a real good channel. Check him out. Like I said, first one I watched of him was Mork and Mindy, the Mork and Mindy house, and I liked watching Mork and Mindy when I was younger, so that's pretty cool. All right, this last package I opened already, so I know who this is from, and this is actually my second package from them. This one is from One Bad Mother Runner on YouTube. On Instagram. PSP Tommy G on YouTube and Instagram. So when she sent me the first rock, she's the one that sent me the rock. I told her I was not going to throw them up in the air because it was too nice. So she asked me what my favorite colors were, and I said blue and black. So she told me she'd send me some rocks I can actually throw in the air when it's time to go ride. So we got a blue rock, ride motorcycle now. Same thing on the black rock. Pretty awesome. These are some great people. Check out Tommy's channel. PSP Tommy G on YouTube. One Bad Mother Runner on Instagram. And PSP Tommy G on Instagram as well. Alright. So let's see what the card says. Dear Goofy B, well, I hope this packet made it more quickly this time. The rocks are sealed with something and then sprayed. So you really can throw them up in the air and land on the ground. The candy is toffee, aka PA bark or crack. Your pick. Have a great day. PSP, Tommy G, and One Bad Mother Runner. My new stickers are almost ready. I'm looking forward to seeing those new stickers too. P.S. I just watched your video, the tribute one you made for your sister, Diana. I'm really sorry for your loss, and saying that one day you will be reunited with her in heaven. This must be a really tough time of year for you. Praying for comfort and peace for you. I really appreciated that. So, I really did appreciate that. So, what she's talking about, the PA bark or PA crack, however you want to say it, is this. This right here, as you can see, I've taken advantage of some and eaten it, and this shit, man, some good shit. Some real good shit. Maybe one day you'll get lucky, and she'll send you some too, because some real good shit. All right, guys. So, got them on the toolbox. So we got Deluxe Chimp, Motorcycle with Carl, and Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. So, it's coming along. All right, guys. Until next time, stay safe. Love one another. Peace.